So in Build, select Storage. Click on Get Started. We will look into the rules later. Click on Next. I will choose default location. Click on Done. So here, you can upload media files, documents, etc. You can also create multiple folders. We can change the rules, which we will do it later. Now inside our application, we will add the dependency for Firebase Storage. So, open build.gradle module pep. And here, add the dependency for Firebase Storage. com.google.firebase Firebase Storage. Click on Sync now. Now open Storage Activity. Here, we will create objects for Firebase Storage. Firebase Storage, Firebase Storage. Storage reference. Before going further into the video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. It will help my channel grow. Lot of you are watching the videos but not subscribing. Okay, we will continue with the video now. Now in activity_storage.xml, we will create a button to pick image and an image view to display that image. Button. Width, 150. Height, 50. ID, btn_pick media. Text, pick media. Top to top of parent. Bottom to bottom of parent. Left to left of parent. Right to right of parent. Constraint vertical bias, 0.3. Now image view. I will set both height and width to 400. Click on the I button to know more about constraint layout. ID, imv_pick media. I will place this image view below the pick media button. So, top to bottom of btn_pick media. Layout margin, 10. Left to left of parent. Right to right of parent. Now above this button, I will create another button to upload the image. I will copy and paste this button. Remove the vertical bias, top to top of and bottom to bottom of. I will change ID to btn_upload media. Text, upload media. And bottom to top of btn_pick media. Layout margin, 10. Now, create references for these three views inside storage activity. Button, btn_pick media, btn_upload media. Image view, imv_pick media. Firebase Storage equals Firebase Storage.get instance. Storage reference equals Firebase Storage.get reference. Now, I will set an on-click listener to btn_pick media. I will use PhotoPicker to select an image from the device storage. Click on the I button to know more about PhotoPicker in Android Studio. So to deal with the selected image, I will use Activity Result Launcher. Activity Result Launcher, pick visual media request, pick visual media equals. Register for activity result, new activity result contracts.pick visual media, URI. Here, the object URI will have the details about the selected image. Now, we need to check if the user has selected an image or not. So, if URI is empty, means the image is not selected. If URI not equals null. Else. Toast, please select an image. So here, we will first display the image in the image view. We will use Content Resolver and get the type of the selected media. Content Resolver CR equals this.getContentResolver. String type equals cr.getType, URI. If type.contains image, then we will set that image to image view. imv_picmedia.setImage URI. Now, we need to launch the photo picker. So, inside the on-click for btn_picmedia, picvisualmedia.launch, new picvisualmedia request.builder. .set media type, activity result contracts.picvisualmedia.image only .instance. I will only select images as of now. .build. I will select storage. Click on Pick Media. OK, open activity_storage.xml. Here for image view, I will set scale type to fit XY. Now, we need to upload this image to Firebase Storage. Before that, we will set an on-click listener to btn_upload media. We will convert the image into a byte array and then upload those bytes. So inside Activity Result Launcher, we will convert the image into a bitmap. So, bitmap. Bitmap equals mediastore.images.media.getBitmap, this.getContentResolver, URI. Now inside the on-click of btn_upload media, we will convert this bitmap into a byte array. Byte array output stream BAOS equals new byte array output stream. Bitmap.compress, bitmap.compress format.jpg, 100 BAOS. So here, we are setting the format to JPEG and quality to 100. And the compressed bitmap will be saved to BAOS. Byte array, image equals BAOS.toByteArray. Finally, to upload a file to Firebase Storage, we will use upload task. Upload task equals storage reference.child image1.putBytes image. Here, I have given image1 as name to the image that will be uploaded. And finally, upload task.add on complete listener. Here, if the task is successful, we will display success message, else, we will display the reason for failure. If task.is successful, toast, success. Else, toast, task.getException.getMessage. Here inside rules, our permissions is set to false. This means the upload task will fail. So, we will change the rules. Replace false with request.auth not equals now. Now, we will upload a different image. Now, I will change the name of the uploaded image from image1 to image2. So we will be uploading the image under new child instead of updating the existing one.